Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well today because today we're going to go ahead and unbox my Nomad cosmetics that I went ahead and I purchased because I saw something going around on Facebook or whatever for Nomad cosmetics and I was so excited. So I did some research and whatnot and I went ahead and bought some stuff. And one of those stuff that I'm going to unbox is going to be the giveaway for all my followers because I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for those of you that are new, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss a thing. This is how they sent it to me, and these people are based in they ship out from Dallas. So here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Nomad Cosmetics. Oh, that is freaking nice. That's so pretty. Oh, jeez. I feel so special already. And let's see what we got. So it comes in a nice, where will you go next? I don't know. Where will we go next? Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. Okay. So it comes in something like this with some bubble paper, and they've written a little hand note to me from Nomad Cosmetics. They've written a hand note. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you'll love your new Nomad goodies. Enjoy. Thank you so much for your support. Be well. Felicia and Auntie. Felicia and Auntie are the Nomad co-founders of Nomad Cosmetics. It is so freaking cute. They also sent a little card where they're from, what they do, blah, 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 this and that. And I seen their cosmetics that is really pigmented, so I had to freaking try it. And I told them I was going to try it. Look at the back of the card. It's adorable. Okay, now this is the palette that I went ahead and got. This is called We Are Going to Caribbean. I'm guessing this is what it says on the back. So it's got a lot of information and stuff. I wish I can do this video really long, but I can't. Okay, so on the back it has like how many ounces and whatnot, all that other good stuff. So you should definitely check them out on Facebook, Nomad Cosmetics. And this is a front. This is so sturdy. I mean it's kind of heavy, but it's not bad. I love that it's. Ooh, oh my gosh. Look at those colors, you guys. Look at those colors. And it does come with this clear film here. We've got something good going on here. Let's go ahead and try this blue right here. And this is called Grace Bay. This is literally melting on your... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Grace Bay. Can you see that? I'm going to go ahead and swatch it real quick. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go ahead and swatch the yellow just to make sure that the yellow is bright enough and pigmented, but I'm pretty sure it's going to do well. It's really... Okay, here's another color. And this one is called Happy Island. So we will go ahead. My hands are so freaking dry. Oh my gosh. I could see it from my camera way over there. So I think this is going to be a nice color, you guys. And oh... So I did order 2 different sets of, it comes like this one, these, and this color. So there's 4 of these, but they're different shades. I'm going to do a giveaway on that color, or I'm going to do a giveaway on this color. So I'm guessing any of those colors. It's a surprise, guys, so it's a giveaway. And also on my giveaway, I am going to show you this one. This is Kiss MINK Effect 3D volume look, and this is in Dame. So I'm going to give away this with the Nomad Cosmetics, and I am also giving away Broadway Eyelash Adhesive. So these are products that I recommend. So that's what the giveaway is going to be, and you will also receive Japanese Cherry Blossom by Body Fantasies. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. So if you see this video if you see this video, make sure you enter down below in the comments. Make sure you're following my YouTube and make sure that your profile is not private, so that way I can get a hold of you guys. And oh yeah, go ahead and follow me on my Facebook. So you have to follow me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Petunia Love. Don't forget, it's Petunia Love. And I have an Instagram as Petunia's Beauty. No, Patricia Lichtenberger. That is what it is. And so that's about it. And that's all I have to share with you guys. And I'm so excited to do this giveaway. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. You guys are going to be so excited. I'm so excited. So I love you guys. Bye-bye.